You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this molecule. By the way, if you want to learn more names from science of different molecules, medicine, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you pronounced in English as Hydantoin. 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 Let's stress on that den syllable. Hydantoin. Yes, I know it's a bit of a mouthful, but at least now you know how to pronounce Hydantoin. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.